Hey E36 fanatics, I'm going to be showing y'all how to do a pretty easy job, which is replacing this right here, your climate control module. These things do last a while on these E36s, but after a while they do go bad. Sometimes the dots in the screen go bad, sometimes the buttons just stop working. Now there is a repair that you can do to actually fix it and resolder the control module, but for this car I've already got this used one sitting around that works perfectly. I just pulled it out of a junk car. It's really easy to remove actually. There's one clip on this side, then there's one clip on this side. You can get in with one of the plastic flat tools, a flathead screwdriver, doesn't really matter, and just get to the clip and it'll pop right out. There's one. There's two. Pull it out. You got a couple cables. One. You got this blue one. Take the new one. Pop in the cable. Pop this back in. Make sure it's in there. Push it back in. And you're done. That's it. You got a new climate control module. Good job.